So what to do when your masks arrive. In a plastic bag, you're going to want to just find the edge. See where the earpieces are? These are the earpieces. Okay? Try not to touch the mask itself. Grab it by the earpiece. Then pull it by the corner, the new mask. Of course, it gets caught on everything else. But that's just a superpower you have to learn to control. Once that one's free, put that to the side. You have your mask with the white side and the blue side. The blue side faces out. And what you want to do is find the plastic strip. So here's the heavy plastic strip. Okay? That's the part that's going to go over our face. So now putting on the mask. We've identified the blue side out, white's on the inside, holding it by the corners. Here is the little plastic band. Okay? This is where the flexi piece is. What you want to do is find the middle and then bend that like that. Okay? Put a little bend in it. Then get it above your nose and then pinch that guy. Okay? Even if you pull it out a little bit, pinch it. Okay, once you've pinched it, then bring it around over the ears like that. A little awkward at first, but then you pull it down like that. Then double your pinch. Make sure it's on that nose. Because it's a new mask, you can touch the outside like that. After this, you don't want to do that. Then, if you're a glasses person like I am, put the glasses on like that, and you're all set, ready to go. Okay? Then, when you take it off, you come home, what you want to do is take it by that back ear like this, back ear like this, okay? Hold it by that corner. Now, if you're going to recycle it, you should put it in a paper bag, a lunch bag, or a Ziploc bag, or even I use an envelope, a legal size envelope, where you kind of just slap it down and you put it up inside there. So anyway, if you have to recycle it, that's what you do. And that means that you just went out for a half an hour, went to the grocery, whatever it's going to be. If you work a shift or if you do a full day outside, throw it out. But if you're just going back and forth and you want to kind of hang on to them a little bit, you find a bag, put it in that, always touch it by the corner. Now the important part is, when you get done touching the mask, you need to wash your hands. So when you come in the door, what I do is I wash my hand first. Then I take the mask off, then I wash my hands again. So this way you know that you're clean, because once you're home and you're in your safety zone, then if you pick your eye, then so be it. But you want to make sure that every time you touch that mask, that you wash your hands. And never touch the front and the outside of the mask. Always just this far corner or by these little strings. But if you pull them too hard, since most of these masks are made in China, they just pop off. So just try to make sure you put it on over the ears, pull down, double check your nose, and away you go. And lastly is wash hands. So every time you touch the mask, if you put it away, you throw it away, then you go back and wash your hands. How do you wash your hands? Not like the old days. Walk in, run the water, do that, dry. No, it's not like that. Turn the water on hot. Try to see if you can get some good heat out of that, so it's going to do something, right? Then take the soap, put it in your hands. Okay? Now, work it through like this, get the water on it, and what we're going to do is we're going to wash the palms, okay? And we're going to do the fingers. So when you do the fingers, okay, do like this. So what you got to think is you're washing your hands like a surgeon, not like an 8-year-old kid trying to come in from outside playing soccer and they want to eat dinner. Not like that. This has got to be a good 20-second, maybe a minute of washing hands every time. You're in between the fingers, both sides, rinse good all the way through. Okay? Don't have to go up the arm. Just get those parts that are touching, because that's what's going to touch your face. If you pick your nose, scratch your eye, you don't want to do that. Gotta be real conscious not to do that, especially not now. So that's it. When you get your mask, try to touch just the sides, bend the top of it, put it over the ear hole. If you're going to try to recycle it for the day, don't touch the outside of it when you take it off. put it into the Ziploc or the envelope or the paper bag. It's a pretty good way. And then you wash your hands when you come in the door, and you wash your hands after you touch the mask. And then if you put the mask on, especially if it's recycled, then you wash your hands again. Then you can go out, right? And then in the meantime, always have your hand sanitizer with you. When you touch your doorknob, a bathroom, an elevator, use your elbow, use your knuckle. Try to use things that don't wind up in your face, because the disease comes through hand contact. Yes, it's airborne, so if you walk into it, but that's not the usual. The usual, what happens is someone leaves it somewhere on that surface, a countertop, a plastic bag, then you wind up touching your eye or your nose or even your lip. Some people do. So just be real conscious and be careful, but use the mask best you can. Be safe.